Oh my gosh. Alright. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay, and today I'm here with a story time. I did a poll on Instagram and I asked what two stories would you want to see or which one over the other, and a couple people were like just both, so I'm giving you guys both. So there will be another story time next week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, if you check out my makeup and you like this look will be up on the upcoming Monday, so stay tuned for that as well. No further ado, let's get right into the story. Alright, so if you know me, you kind of should know that I have a type. Me and my cousin were actually talking about this on our chit chat we did last year, and this is like bothering me. Guys, if you're gonna be a YouTuber, don't get a black backdrop. It just sucks. It sucks. But anyways, yes, if you know me, you should know by now that I have a type, and you know, I don't make the smartest decisions in those types. So this story time is going to be this is from about it has to be 3 years ago. No, it has to be 4 years ago. I don't know, because I'll be doing too much, y'all. I'll be losing track. So this is from about between 2015 or 2016. One or the other. But anyways, guys, I don't know who I thought I was. I try to, step out my comfort zone. And date this little, white chocolate guy. Like, he was white chocolate, like, and he is fine. Ooh, I don't even know. Lord. Y'all, he was fine. He was fine. And the way I met him was I had went out with one of my coworkers. They invited me out somewhere, and we went to like a bar. And now it was a real like white bar. Like, I think we probably the only black people. It was a real white neighborhood, okay? I think we were the only black people there. But whatever. I'm there for the drinks. I'm not there for the scenery. So yes. The bartender is like kind of like checking me out. Mind you, it's like other girls around, but he was checking out this little chocolate thing right here. So, I'm like, alright, he look kind of fine. Now, I don't know if I had the courage or the drunk courage to go talk to him, or if I had one of them get his number, but some way, somehow, we were talking, we exchanged numbers, we were like texting a little, and he was like, so at this time, like 2016, I had to be, I know I was 21 obviously, so between 21 and 23, yeah, between 21 and 23, I don't know, but this dude was like, I don't even know. I don't even remember. He was probably like 30, I think. I think he was like 30s. And I'm like, let me just try something different, because the choices I'm making, they ain't working for me. And it's just a date. Like, it's no harm in just a date. Like, if you want to go screw him, then you need Jesus, honey. But it's just a little date, so why not? So we're talking. He's telling me about himself, and he's like, he was a bartender there, but he had a real job, like, and it was a good job. And I'm just like, all right, like, this might work, boo. Like, this might work. So I'm on hype, like, got my little white chocolate boo. Let me see. Now, I am not in any way, shape, form, or anything racist or anything like that. I just have this fear of certain people that I just feel like they are serial killers. Like, I'm sorry, don't come for my head, but I just think a lot of y'all serial killers. Like, I'm sorry. So we're talking, or whatever the case is. He's like, oh, we should go out, blah blah blah, and I'm like, all right, cool. So he's like, so we're playing the whole date out or whatever, like, oh, he's gonna come pick me up and what day, blah blah blah. Now he's like, all right, give me your address. Now, once again, I think y'all are serial killers. I'm sorry to say, but y'all might be. So I'm like, oh shoot, like, dang, like, I'm used to driving everywhere, and now somebody's telling me they're coming to get me. Like, dang, I get this guy my address. So what I did was, I gave him my cousin's address. Sorry, Sade, but she was my accomplice, and I gave him her address because I'm like, you know, I don't think he like knew her. I don't even know, was she with me this day? I don't remember if I was with her this day, but I don't think he knew her. So I'm like, okay, he won't know who to really come for. So I'm just like, you know what? At least he can't find me here. So I took a cab to her house, and I had him come get me from there. Now, he pull up in his little 20 whatever Jeep, whatever year it was that year, that was a Jeep he had. And I'm like, all right, you got a little shmoney, like, okay. So he come out with his brand new Jeep all decked out inside, and I'm like, all right, okay, I'm getting it together. So we go out and we go to some restaurant in Westchester. So if you know Westchester, you know the demographic. So he takes me to some restaurant, right? Now, I am not at this time, like I said, I was only about between 21 and 23. So I'm not very well versed in the going out thing and, you know, all this stuff. I know what I know, I like what I like, and that's what I always get. So we took to this restaurant. This restaurant had about 5 things on the menu. And I'm like, looking at the menu, like, there's nothing else on here, like, nothing else, just but 5 things on here. So I'm like, all right, well, I like calamari, and they had like, it was like a octopus salad or a squid salad. So I'm like, you know, I like calamari, so this might, you know, let me give this one a shot, because I don't want anything else on here. Everything else was just like for a certain type of people that is not me. So I get this thing, we're like talking a little. Now me, naturally, I'm a very nervous person. When it comes to like dates and new environments, I'm very nervous. Like I'm not good at small talk. I'm not just good at random, like you have to take charge of that if you're gonna be with me, because if you don't, we'll be sitting there in silence, like, sorry. So he's like talking, whatever. He was like a good talker, he's talking. And the food comes out now. Y'all, the food comes out. And I'm like, oh, okay. And if you, once again, if you know me, you know I'm the queen of send that shit back. If I don't like it, if I don't want it, I don't care if I ate a couple of bites out of it, I will send it back. Like, I didn't like it, send it back. So if you know me, you know that I'm the queen of send that shit back. Okay? So I'm like, you know what, I don't want to do that, because I don't want to be that person, and it's like a little, you know, first date type thing. So I'm like, you know, let me just eat it. He's spending his money on me, so whatever. Y'all, I eat the salad. Sitting there talking to me. All of a sudden, I'm like, if you hear that sound, you know what time it is. Like, you know what time it is. So I'm sitting like, can I get a water? Yeah. No, can I get a soda? I need something, you know. Y'all, I almost died in this man's care. I almost died, y'all. I almost died. I had an allergic reaction to this food. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, this can't be happening. Like, so I'm sitting there, legs shaking. I'm like, all uncomfortable, trying to listen to him. And I'm like, I'm sitting there like, yo, I'm dying. I can't let him know that I'm dying over here. So I just gotta suck it up. So after a while, I was like, you ready? I gotta go. I gotta work in the morning. I don't know what I don't know what excuse I gave him, but I had to go. I had to go. In the end, my makeup looked good, y'all. In the end, he was really nice. And on the way home, like, he was really talking. We was really like hitting it off and all of that. So I said, you know what? Let me just tell him, like, once I do get comfortable, I'm very honest. So I was just telling him, like, I said to tell you. He's like, what? I'm like, I actually don't live at that address. Like, I just didn't want to give you my address because, you know, I don't know if you might be a killer or something. And he was laughing at it. So, you know, I didn't make it like uncomfortable. But yeah, I gave him my address, and then I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know. Like, we stopped talking after that, and I'm like, damn. Well, I kind of do know, but I don't want to talk about that. But yes, we kind of stopped talking after that, and then I was all jealous. He got himself a new fine ass girlfriend. Like, that girl was so pretty. I don't know if they're still together, but yeah, she was fine. And you know, I was a little jelly. Honey. But I hope you don't watch this. I do still have him on social media. We didn't like fall out, like, whereas we like disappeared from each other's lives or something. No, we just stopped talking. So I still have him on social media. If you watching this, boo, you still fine. Okay, I'll be seeing the post. But yeah, that was my little date with my little white chocolate boo. Alright, now if you enjoyed this story, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.